Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to import photos from SONY ZV-E10 to your smartphone. First, what you need to do is open up the menu, then go to Smartphone Connection, then connect to your smartphone. We already have a video for that, so once you're here, just click Start, okay, join. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see everything. Okay, now once you're connected, click Import in Camera Images. Okay, now choose the photos that you want to send. I'm gonna go with those three, then click this button right here and OK. Now items are copied. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.